Hello there and welcome back to Megaboost Digital Services. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to open a support ticket in case you have an issue that you want to resolve very fast, or the WhatsApp support is redirecting you to open a support ticket. First of all, you log into your account. I'm logged into mine. Click on the menu. Then you're going to see support ticket here. Then under the support ticket, you're going to see a plus sign before the support ticket here. Click on it. Then it says subject, requests, order ID, and the description. Okay, let me say I want to open a support ticket for a payment that is yet to be confirmed. Your payment subject should be payment, and your payment method, which payment did you use to make the payment? Is it Flutterwave, Corapay, Paystack, or manual bank transfer? Let me say manual bank transfer, and my transaction ID is this. Description: I have made payment on my account has not been. Okay, then you click on submit. Once you click on this submit, it's going to open a support ticket with this your request. Then a customer support agent from Megaboost is going to join you on that support ticket, and you're going to receive an email so you get updated whenever you get a new reply from the support representative on Megaboost. Always make sure that the subject and everything, your subject, your request, let's say okay, you are ordering for an order review, input your order ID and input your description. Or let me say you want to order for an order cancellation, click this, then input your order ID and your description. Okay, then click on the submit button. Let me do that. Oh sorry, it says order ID field is required. That's because I chose an order and I didn't include the order ID. Okay, let's say 101 is my order ID. Let me put this description. Okay, click on submit. It says ticket created successfully. Then here you are going to see your support tickets. Okay, as you can see here, your support ticket status is pending. This is your account name and your account email and the date and time at which this support ticket was opened. Once an agent replies your message, you're going to see the reply here. Then you'll also be able to reply to the support ticket here. That is how you can open a support ticket on Megaboost and also check your support ticket history and how it goes. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.